Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make 3 easy paper flowers. This is the first flower I'm going to make. Here, we need a half circle for one petal. Okay, let's see how to fold this half circle to make the petal. Now we can glue the edge and we need more petals for the flower. Okay, now we can attach the petals and finish the flower. So this is the second flower. In this flower, we need a circle to make one petal. Okay, let's see how to fold this to make the petal. To make the flower, we need 5 or 6 petals. Okay, now attach the petals as I am doing here. This is the third flower. Add a card and glue like this. For this flower, we need 5 petals. Glue the petals as I'm doing here. Now, the middle part of the flower. Hope you enjoyed our video. You will like, comment and also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos.